This compact charger from Ryobi lets you power up multiple USB devices at once, keeping your tools and gadgets ready wherever you go. With 3 charging ports and a sleek design, it's built for convenience on the job or at home. Whether it's your phone, tablet, or flashlight, everything stays charged on the go. It's small enough to fit in your toolbox, but powerful enough to handle your daily charging needs. Designed for Ryobi's USB lithium lineup, it provides consistent and safe power output. You can even use it as a portable power source when outlets aren't nearby. Compact, efficient, and built tough. It's the ultimate job site companion. Ryobi's dual function. Inflator Deflator is a must-have for your car, home, or workshop. It easily inflates tires, air mattresses, and sports gear with precise digital pressure control. When it's time to pack up, switch to deflate mode to quickly empty air from inflatables. Powered by the 18V OnePlus battery system, it delivers cordless convenience and powerful airflow anywhere. The compact design makes it easy to carry and store. Its bright LED light helps you work even in dark spaces. Fast, accurate, and reliable. This inflator makes every inflation task effortless. This Ryobi cordless mower and edger combo redefines lawn care versatility. Its lightweight cordless design makes it easy to move around your yard with zero emissions and less noise. Switch seamlessly between mowing and edging for a clean, professional look. Powered by an 18V OnePlus battery, it delivers consistent performance without the hassle of cords or fuel. The ergonomic handle and compact storage design make it ideal for small to medium gardens. With sharp precision blades and smart battery efficiency, it gets the job done quickly. It's the all-in-one lawn solution every homeowner needs. Trim, shape, and clean in one go with Ryobi's 22-inch cordless hedge trimmer. The built-in debris collector catches clippings as you cut, keeping your workspace neat. Its dual-action blades reduce vibration and deliver a smooth, powerful trim on every pass. Powered by the OnePlus 18V system, it cuts through thick branches with ease. Lightweight and perfectly balanced, it reduces arm fatigue for longer sessions. You'll love the quiet operation and cordless freedom it provides. Tidy hedges have never been this effortless or satisfying. The Ryobi 12-inch sliding compound miter saw brings precision and visibility to every cut. With its powerful motor and smooth sliding rails, it handles wide boards and compound angles like a pro. The integrated LED shadow line casts a perfect cut line for unmatched accuracy. Built with a sturdy base and dust collection port, it keeps your workspace clean and efficient. It's part of Ryobi's trusted power tool lineup, delivering reliability for every carpenter or DIYer. Whether framing, molding, or fine trimming, expect flawless cuts every time. Durable, accurate, and built for performance. Ryobi's 18V OnePlus jigsaw gives you the freedom to cut any shape, anywhere. With variable speed control and an ergonomic grip, you can achieve precise and smooth cuts every time. The tool-free blade change system makes switching blades fast and easy. Its powerful motor cuts through wood, plastic, and metal effortlessly. LED lighting keeps your line visible even in low-light conditions. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for both detailed work and heavy cuts. This jigsaw blends power, comfort, and accuracy into one impressive tool. Say goodbye to compressors and hoses with the Ryobi AirStrike Finish Nailer. This cordless powerhouse delivers pro-level nailing performance with clean, consistent results. Designed for 16-gauge nails, it's perfect for trim, molding, and cabinetry. The OnePlus 18V battery keeps you working anywhere without interruptions. It features tool-free depth adjustment and jam release for smooth operation. LED lights illuminate your workspace for pinpoint accuracy. Reliable, cordless, and built tough, this nailer makes finishing work fast and flawless. Pruning just got effortless with Ryobi's 18V cordless secateurs. These powerful garden shears slice through branches up to 25 mm thick with just a press of a button. Its sharp, durable blades ensure clean cuts that promote healthy plant growth. Lightweight and cordless, it's easy to use for long hours without strain. The safety lock feature ensures total control and peace of mind. Powered by the OnePlus system, you can share batteries across all Ryobi tools, perfect for gardeners who want precision and power in one hand. The Ryobi portable clamping station is your mobile workshop in one compact setup. It provides a sturdy surface with quick-lock clamps to hold materials firmly in place. Ideal for cutting, sanding, or assembling projects anywhere. The foldable design makes it easy to transport and store after use. Built from strong, durable materials, it offers stability on any job site. With its adjustable jaws, it handles materials of various shapes and sizes. This clamping station turns any space into a productive workspace in seconds. Clear your yard like a pro with the Ryobi gas backpack blower, delivering up to 175 mph of airspeed and 760 cfm. It blasts away leaves and debris effortlessly. The 38cc engine provides reliable power with reduced vibration for comfort. Its ergonomic backpack design distributes weight evenly for long use without fatigue. The variable speed trigger gives you control over airflow intensity. Built tough for outdoor performance, it's perfect for large lawns or commercial cleanup. Power, comfort, and control, all in one machine. This Ryobi Packraben cordless stick vacuum is lightweight, powerful, and part of the OnePlus system, meaning your batteries work across hundreds of tools. It's designed for deep cleaning in tight spaces, offering strong suction for dust, debris, and even pet hair. With multiple attachments and a slim design, it glides effortlessly under furniture and around corners. The removable bin makes cleaning mess-free and quick. Powered by the 18V battery, you can clean your car, workshop, or home without cords holding you back. It's convenience and performance packed into one sleek machine. Ryobi brings workshop power into home cleaning. The Ryobi OnePlus Cordless Drain Auger takes the headache out of clearing clogs. With 25 feet of reinforced cable, it powers through sinks, tubs, and shower drains effortlessly. The variable speed trigger gives you full control for tackling different blockages safely. Its automatic feed and retract system make it smooth to use, while the battery power means no messy cords. Whether you're a pro plumber or fixing your own drains, this tool saves time and frustration. Compact, efficient, and part of the OnePlus family, it's always ready for action. Ryobi makes drain cleaning smart and stress-free. Installing door locks has never been simpler than with the Ryobi A99 DLK4 kit. Designed for both wood and metal doors, it helps you achieve perfect alignment every single time. The adjustable guides and durable hole saws ensure clean, precise cuts without splintering. Its clamp-free design makes setup quick, and compatibility with most standard locks adds convenience. Whether you're upgrading home security or fitting new doors, this kit guarantees professional results. Built to last and easy to use, it's an essential addition to any toolbox. Ryobi takes the guesswork out of lock installation. Power and control meet in the Ryobi OnePlus HP Brushless Reciprocating Saw. With its advanced brushless motor, it delivers faster cutting and longer runtime than ever before. The variable speed trigger provides precision for every material, from wood to metal. A quick-release blade clamp makes swaps effortless, keeping your workflow smooth. The ergonomic grip and anti-vibration design mean comfort during long jobs. This saw is built tough for both demolition and fine cuts. Ryobi gives you the muscle and control you need in one powerful package. Bring out a professional shine with the Ryobi 6-inch random orbit buffer. Its dual-speed control lets you switch between polishing and finishing effortlessly. The ergonomic D handle ensures comfort and control for extended use. Designed to eliminate swirl marks, it delivers a smooth, consistent finish on cars, furniture, or floors. The cordless design, powered by the OnePlus battery system, keeps you moving freely without restrictions. Lightweight yet powerful, it's ideal for detailing enthusiasts and pros alike. Ryobi makes polishing easier, faster, and more precise. The Ryobi Combi drill packs precision and strength into one tool. Its brushless motor delivers superior torque for drilling through wood, metal, and masonry effortlessly. The 2-speed gearbox and 24 clutch settings provide full control for every job. The LED light brightens dark corners, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfort during heavy use. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for both professionals and DIYers. With the OnePlus battery compatibility, you'll never run out of power mid-task. Ryobi's innovation redefines cordless drilling performance. The Ryobi Hybrid Magnetic Task Light brightens your workspace like never before, offering both battery and electric power options. It's designed for ultimate flexibility. The strong magnetic base attaches securely to metal surfaces, keeping your hands free. With high-intensity LEDs, it floods your area with bright, clear light that lasts for hours. Adjustable angles let you aim the beam exactly where you need it. It's lightweight, portable, and built tough for any job site. Ryobi turns darkness into productivity with this versatile lighting solution. Precision meets portability in the Ryobi USB lithium soldering iron. Reaching up to 480 degrees C in seconds, it's perfect for quick electronic repairs and crafting. The lithium power ensures consistent heat output, while the cordless design gives you total freedom to move. Its fine tip allows detailed, accurate work even in tight spaces. A built-in LED light enhances visibility, and the protective cap makes it safe to carry anywhere. Rechargeable via USB, it's always ready for your next project. Ryobi makes soldering modern, fast, and cordless. Keep your gear organized with the Ryobi Link 3-drawer toolbox. Its durable construction and smooth slide drawers make tool access effortless. The Link modular design lets you stack, lock, and transport it with other Link storage units. Each drawer features customizable dividers to keep tools perfectly sorted. With a sturdy handle and rugged latches, it's built for the job site or garage. Say goodbye to clutter and wasted time searching for the right tool. Ryobi turns tool storage into a system of power and order. Cut through tiles like butter with the Ryobi 4-inch tile saw. Compact and powerful, this tool delivers smooth and precise cuts on ceramic, porcelain, and stone. The ergonomic design ensures comfort and stability during use. With a water cooling system, it keeps the blade sharp and dust under control, perfect for small renovation projects or professional tiling work. Its portability makes it easy to carry from site to site. Ryobi ensures precision and quality every time you cut. Never get stranded again with Ryobi's 18V cordless jump starter. Delivering a powerful 1600A boost, it jump-starts most vehicles in seconds. The built-in LED work light illuminates your workspace in emergencies. Powered by the OnePlus battery, it also doubles as a portable power bank for your devices. The compact design makes it easy to store in your car or toolbox. Safe, efficient, and reliable, it's a must-have for every driver. Ryobi gives you peace of mind wherever the road takes you. Trim branches with ease using the Ryobi USB lithium pruning shears. Designed for effortless cutting, it slices through thick stems with minimal effort. The sharp stainless steel blades deliver clean, precise cuts to promote healthy plant growth. Powered by a rechargeable USB lithium battery, it's always ready to go. Lightweight and comfortable, it reduces hand strain during long trimming sessions. Ideal for gardeners and landscapers alike, it's the smart way to maintain your green space. Ryobi brings innovation to every garden cut. That's all for today's coolest new Ryobi tools. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more powerful tool updates. See you in the next one.